Today you will learn how to use rice water to make your eyebrows grow. Did you know you can accelerate your brows' growth? Most women dream of full defined brows, especially because thick eyebrows are trending now. Thin and patchy eyebrows are one of the major beauty issues of today, and many people are searching for quick and efficient alternatives to correct their brows. After all, a beautiful eyebrow highlights your eyes and makes anyone prettier, right? Thinking about this issue, we decided to bring you the recipe for rice water, which can help your brows. Many people think that rice water is the hot water that we get when we cook some rice for our dinner. But that's not what we are talking about here. The rice water is made of raw rice. You can make it with common rice, parboiled rice, or any kind of rice you have at home. Besides, many people around the world use rice water and can attest to its benefits. And the best part? You can make it in 5 minutes. And you don't need to throw away the rice after making your water. You can even cook it after. But how do we make rice water? This homemade recipe is super easy. In a bowl, combine 3 spoons of rice and a cup of water. Let it soak for a few minutes, then stir. Once the water is cloudy, your rice water is ready. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends to help the channel. And what can we use it for? Many people use this homemade recipe on their hair and skin. Many benefits can be felt as soon as you start using it, which is why the recipe is so famous. You can apply rice water on your face to lighten your skin, lessen acne, reduce pores, soothe sunburnt skin, minimize the effects of aging, and to brighten your skin. You can also use the water on your hair and eyebrows. Once you make your rice water, store it in a spray bottle to use it more easily on your hair. Wash your hair with your usual shampoo, rinse, and apply your conditioner. After washing your hair, apply the rice water over your scalp and gently massage with your fingertips. Let it act for at least 20 minutes. Then rinse with warm water. Style your hair as usual. Repeat this process once a week. To use rice water on your eyebrows, you can store the water in a bottle with a pipette or use a cotton swab. Apply it over your brows and let it dry naturally. Do it twice a week. Well, and how long does rice water last? You can keep the non-used rice water in the fridge for up to a week. Try it and share your experience with us. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.